you are paying hundreds of dollars every month just to house trash. A $500 mattress used every night costs less than 15 cents per use. 10 cheap shirts are more expensive than 3 premium ones. Amazon one-click is a trap designed to bypass your brain. Delete your saved credit card info from your phone right now. Wait exactly 24 hours before any non-essential purchase. Companies spend billions to make you spend without thinking. If the urge is gone by tomorrow morning, you just saved money. A boat isn't just a boat. It's a trailer, storage fees, and insurance. Most big purchases have a multiplier that is often 3 times the original price. Before you buy the asset, calculate the army of expenses behind it. Every toy comes with a shadow cost you never calculated. Walk through your house and ask, would I work extra hours to replace this? If the answer is no, that item has 0 value in your life. Sell it on Facebook Marketplace and invest that cash into your future. It is just mental clutter taking up space in your mind. We live in an upgrade culture designed to make you feel behind. Your iPhone 14 isn't broken just because the 16 came out. A tool is functional until it fails to perform its task. Stop trading your financial freedom for a slightly better camera lens. Boredom is not a technical failure. If you don't define enough at $70,000, you'll be broke at $150,000. Most people just expand their lifestyle to match their paycheck. Decide now what kind of house and car actually satisfy you. When the raises come, keep your lifestyle the same. Watch your net worth explode while others spend every dollar they earn. Lifestyle creep is a silent wealth killer. Minimalism isn't about owning nothing. It's about owning the best version of what you actually need. Invest in things that touch your skin or the ground every day. Your bed, your shoes, and your office chair matter most. Buy it once, buy it right. Garages across America are filled with dusty kayaks and abandoned gym equipment. Before you buy into a new hobby, rent the gear first. If you're still doing it 3 months later, then you've earned the right to buy. Never invest in equipment until you've proven you have the persistence to use it. Don't build a museum for your past interests. Real wealth isn't the car you drive. It's the freedom to quit a toxic job or move to a new city. Physical possessions chain you to a high monthly overhead. A minimalist lifestyle isn't about deprivation. It's about trading clutter for the ultimate luxury, freedom. True wealth is the power to say no. Your stuff is living in your home for free while you pay the bill. Stop being a landlord for your clutter. Clear the space, stop the tax. Cheap is often more expensive in the long run. Stop looking at the sticker price and start looking at the utility. High-quality items used daily are the ultimate bargain. That's a steal. That's a financial leak. You choose. Every square foot of your home costs you money. You're paying $200 to $500 per square foot every single year. If your guest room is storage, you're paying rent for your junk. The second cost is always larger than the first. Storage, maintenance, mental energy, opportunity cost. That treadmill hanging clothes costs you $600 a year in implicit rent. Every dollar locked in possessions is a dollar not invested. $15,000 in index funds grows to $50,000 in 15 years. $15,000 in a home gym just collects dust. Visual clutter increases cortisol and reduces your ability to focus. Your stuff is literally stressing you out. Clean minimalist room equals calm brain equals better decisions. Set up automatic savings transfers on payday. Pay yourself first before you see the money. Someone with 18 months of expenses saved sleeps differently at night. The person earning half as much can have 10 times the financial security. This isn't a story about income. It's a story about the hidden relationship between stuff and money. Owning less doesn't mean living worse. It means living deliberately. Deliberate living creates financial margin most high earners never experience. The virtuous cycle: spend less, save more, feel secure, spend less again. The destructive cycle: spend everything, feel insecure, spend more. High earners trapped in possessions build nothing. Modest earners riding the virtuous cycle build everything. Every object you own has a second cost you never calculated. The purchase price is just the entry fee. Optionality is the ultimate form of wealth. Can you quit tomorrow if you needed to?